You can see all my plants in here are keeping the water conditions somewhat, but they still need help. There's a lot of ammonia here, so we're gonna go ahead and remove the ammonia and add other chemicals in here to help the aquarium out. So let's go ahead and do that and see how it works. Recommend you guys buy this for your aquarium. If you're new to aquarium life, you want to remove some of the metals, the detox, ammonia, and so forth. This is a perfect thing. Now, it does come with instructions in the back of how much you have to actually fill. And to let you guys know, I bought these too also because I have to test the water out, and I do have a couple things I have to make sure I change. There's a couple metals in there that I got to remove immediately, and this is one way you're going to process this stuff. And not including with the strips, you have to buy your own strips, but recommend you to read out your strips and to actually clean the water. This is a perfect way to do it. Now we're going to try to clean the fish tank as much as possible. You might have to condition more times than usual if it's hard to remove it, the metals, especially in some areas where metal is in your pipe automatically, chlorine too. So let's go ahead and set this up. All right, so we're gonna put about 20 millimeters on this one. All right, so just because I already added just a little bit yesterday, we're gonna go ahead and put the 20. And there we are. This is gonna help our aquarium out. Like I said, it's gonna detox a lot of stuff, remove ammonia and heavy metals. All right, so that's what we want to do. When you add new water out of the faucet, it's not treat it. You got to make sure you treat it, and this is one way you do it. So mix it up and you'll have your great fish life. You'll enjoy your aquarium for many years to have, and along with your fishes, this will give you a great clean on the actual filter system and other stuff. So let it cycle a couple days and then add it like I mentioned.